through Bannan Ondo.
At 40,000 final itself. At 40,000, take the last time all out and that. 40,000 I don't need to do no player. At 12,000 I'm a 20 now, 12,000 now, at 20,000 I'm a 20 but now, at 12,000 I'm a 20 out that's now, 12,000 now, at 20 gets you on the net now, 20 now, at 12,000 now, 25, 30 now, at 30,000 let's move now, at 12,000 the next number 30 now, at 30,000 I'm a Darabus family but now, at 30,000 I'm a Darabus number 30 now, at 30,000 I'm a 30,000 now, at 30,000 come on, so let's go, come on 35, at 35 number 35 for, at 500 number 35, 40,000 now, at 40,000 number 40 now, at 40,000 number 40 now, at 40 but now, at 40,000 number 40 now, at 40,000 number 40 now, at 40,000 videos now, as against you, once against you, and then this against you, you won't get it, man. Come on, one more, at 40,000. So, you're not listening.
Met de plaat met de veel en dan sy tipe nie heeltemal daar in die ram wat voor staan, dis nie die ram wat die korrekste is. Die ouene van die dag, klein rammetjie agter, kort baie lyflengte, korter die kruis. Hy kan nie saamgesels met die voorste twee nie. Ora sabo. Osinira. Ja, osinira kabiuna. Oh. Alles. Como yo calari de chao, sin cabina te hago yo un tengo sabía que no dice que ya yo. Ahora sabina no hay te hago yo un tengo sabía que no dice que ya yo.
Hello fellow Zambians, this is Karue Stud Farms from Rehoboth, in the south of Windhoek. We have purchased the animals which are going to Zambia. For our fellow Zambians who are looking for the better quality of breeding animals in Zambia, these are the stock which we have bought from Rehoboth, from a breeder so-called Francisco. We have bought a very nice animals. As you can see the packaging from the trailer and the trailer of the van from there. Karue Stud Farms, quality is a nature of our business, to run around all those breeders who are looking for the better stock in Zambia. Not forgetting my colleague whom I'm working with in partner here, Andrew Eliki is a better and very reliable, very intelligent, very professional young man who is looking forward to do business.
The guy is coming behind.
All right, we really appreciate you people.
Yeah.